today we have something very serious to talk about. Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, thank you so much for coming back. Today we're going to talk about something very important. Get ready. We're going to talk about our hair. Now, your hair is one of the most crucial parts of your whole look. Without a doubt, it can be transforming, it can make it, or it can break it. There are always going to be days where we don't care, but there are going to be days where we want to like, wow, whether it's for us or it's for an event, whatever it is. And we are going to be talking about a way to do that through a extension ponytail. Now, this is a whole look we're going to create together, okay? I'm very excited because we're going to be talking about the insert name here, Mia or Maya, depending on how you say it, ponytail. So this beautiful, beautiful bag contains this ponytail. So I have the one called Mia, and it's 24 inches long. Actually, I'm gonna look up more information on it so I can tell you guys about it. But it's 24 inches long, and so it's a Velcro strap, so it wraps around your hair. And you know on Instagram how like you see girls who have like the cutest ponytails ever? Well, this is one of the best ways to achieve it. So it's very, very high quality. All their products are very high quality. I'm gonna read the details because I don't know off the top of my head. So it can be worn as a high, mid, or low pony, which is super cute. So I think we're gonna go for like a boss babe, like a high ponytail look. So hang tight. And this ponytail was featured in Ariana Grande's music video, In My Head. So like, guys, we're gonna have a look today. We're gonna look good. I lied, it's In Your Head, it's not In My Head. It's Ariana Grande's In Your Head music video. I've never been good at song lyrics, so again, their products are super high quality, and what is amazing about this is their company helps you color match online. So this, like, honestly, it matches my hair so well. There are a million different ways to do it. You can leave your hair like flowing into the ponytail, which I'll probably do because it matches my hair very well, because they help me match it, which saved me a lot of trouble because I'm not good at things like that. You can put it up in a braid and then fold the braid and do that as well. You can put it up in so many different ways, whether you don't want your hair to show. So even if you don't match exactly perfect to it, say your hair grows out a little bit, it still looks very fluid in your hair regardless of how much your hair grows out or whether your dye in your hair grows out. This is the color Ash Blonde because it matched my hair the best. And I actually just got my hair touched up too, so it still matches perfectly, which is amazing. So I'm really excited with this. So you get your ponytail in your bag, and then it comes with everything, guys. So it even comes with 2 bobby pins on it, like high industrial thick bobby pins, so that when you wrap your last piece around to cover up the band, you just stick these in the back, and it looks so cute. This has a very beautiful real texture to it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has a real texture to it, and my natural hair actually matches this texture very well. And once you add heat to it, which you can add heat to this one, I don't think you can get the same texture back, but I mostly wear my hair like this, so I think I might give it a little curl after I get it on. But we are going to style this and see how it looks. This is also their best-selling product, so I'm very excited. And so why we are doing this, in addition to just putting up like my own ponytail, I love my hair, I'm very grateful for it, but sometimes you want a different look, and this instantly adds so much volume and length. And my hair is long, and my hair, I have a lot of it, but sometimes I can't get the look that I'm desiring from it. And so something like this is the best way to instantly like vamp up your look and to get what you want to achieve. So let's go. Guys, I'm on my couch on my knees doing this because I'm trying to find a good spot to film, but it's been really hard lately, so we're just gonna go. All right, here we go. Sorry that I'm looking in the viewfinder. I want to make sure it looks good for you guys. I'm gonna do it 2 different ways. So we're gonna do it how it's just textured right now, and then I'm going to bring my bangs down a little bit, and then we're gonna try that out. So super easy. All right, we have our pony. Now, the best part. I'm so excited. I love this. I'm excited for you guys to see it. So I'm just taking the little comb that's in there, and I am just clipping it, not clipping it, I'm like scooching it in, you know, and then I'm picking up my hair. I'm gonna flip my hair, guys, sorry if you can't see it. Okay. Wow. Guys, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. I love it. Okay, so my hair is still in there. I don't know if you can see it in its full glory. It's not heavier than my regular ponytail is, which is crazy. I love this because you can do so many different things with it. I'm going to, sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder because I like it so much. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to style it how I might normally, but this is what it looks like when you just put it up on its own. All right guys, this is it. This is Mia. This is more along the lines of how I would wear it. Honestly, my rings kept getting caught in them, so take your rings off. But this is how it looks. And so what's crazy is that this matches my dyed part so well. And so if you're concerned about it not matching, the pony is the best way to go. Oh my gosh, guys, I love it. I don't know if you can see. So I'm not someone who like enjoys having their hair in a ponytail very much just because of the shape of my face. I feel like it's the shape of the moon, but this is so fun. I love it. I added just like a tiny bit of texture in it to match with my hair because my hair is in this also. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. Let me put it all to the side so you can see. And it's super long, like so guys, this is one way to instantly change your look. Like, but anyways, if you guys are interested, I do have a coupon for you just to save you guys some money, 10%. So if you type in Malia10, it will give you 10% off of your order. I love you guys so much, and I hope you enjoy this because I'm in love. Guys, this looks so good. I'm always scared because I'm not someone who's good at things with extensions. I love hair and I love makeup and stuff, but I don't have a whole lot of experience with things like this, and it was super user-friendly and I love it so much. So again, guys, if you want to save 10% off, you can use my code Malia10 at INH, insert name here, and this is Mia. We got some Ariana Grande vibes, guys. I feel like I could be in my own music video now. I'll put all the information down below and the coupon code you guys can use. Thank you so much for watching. So the best way to vamp up your look, in my opinion. There's so many different things you can do. There's so many different looks, but I love you guys so much and I will see you very soon. Bye.